Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a completely floral tea made from fresh flowers from my garden. So stay tuned. So first up, I put in the edible hibiscus flowers, which are those bright, dark, red maroon flowers. Then I placed some nasturtium flowers in. I then put in a stalk from my holy basil. And then I placed a blooming stalk from my mint plant. And then lastly, a handful of leaves from my tea olive tree. Once all of those flowers were in the jar, the next step was fairly simple. Just pour some boiling water over it and let it steep. So this is the first time I've done a completely fresh floral tea, so I'm excited to give it a try. It has a very light, elegant flavor. It doesn't have a lot of depth to it versus what I feel like I get when I do some of my dried herbs. But it's very interesting. I like it. It was really fun to make and pretty, so I'm definitely gonna do this again and play around.